Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Tradelocker, CTrader and MetaTrader. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important point. Choosing between these platforms depends on the specific features you need and what each platform excels. Tradelocker is designed mainly for active traders and brokers. It offers market data, customizable charts and automated trading, known for its flexibility and scalability. It works well for beginners and professionals alike. It is especially strong in execution tools, risk management, and backtesting, perfect if you want a highly customizable trading environment. On the other hand, CTrader is a popular platform focused on an intuitive, user-friendly interface while offering advanced features like one-click trading and automated trading with cBot. Traders appreciate its clean design, fast order execution, and solid customer support. If you want a smooth experience with advanced tool in easy-to-navigate interface, CTrader is great choice. MetaTrader is a versatile platform favored by brokerage firms. It offers advanced charting, trading signals, and multiple order types. Suitable for both retail and institutional traders, MetaTrader is known for fast execution speeds and extensive customization options, making it ideal for those who value quick and efficient traders. In my opinion, if you want an intuitive interface with powerful charting and automated trading, CTrader is your best bet. For advanced customization and backtesting, Tradelocker fits well. And if fast execution and customization at an institutional level are your priorities, MetaTrader is the way to go. Thanks for watching.